Hi, welcome to Step Up Boss Up TV. I'm Lorraine P, and this week we are going to be looking at setting up your Facebook page for your online business. Now, whether you're planning to use Facebook as your main marketing platform or you're planning to just have it as a way to confirm your Instagram business account, this is going to help you to get started and get all the right pieces of information in place for your Facebook business page. Now, I'll be leaving a link below for this page, but this is the page that you need to get to for you to be able to start setting up your Facebook business page. So all you have to do is just click on the link, which will take you into this page. Now, ideally, you should be already logged in to your Facebook, your actual personal Facebook account. If you don't have a personal Facebook account, you will need to create one because all your pages will be hosted kind of within your personal account. So you can always access them through your personal account and they'll be linked. You can actually make yourself known as the person who's the main administrator on your Facebook page. So you'll get this, you'll land on this page and you choose whether you're a business or brand or community or public figure. So I'm going to be creating a page for one of my newest businesses. So let's just choose business or brands and I will literally just put in the page name. And so the page name will be your business name. Then you select your category. So I am going for social media agency. Now, if you've got a business address, so a physical address, you can put it here. But I don't have a physical business address and I don't want it in there. So I'm going to ignore that. Now, I think business address may not be optional anymore. Okay, so I am going to put I'm going to put my business address that I actually have. Let's just throw that in here. And hit continue. So before you get started, I'd advise that you actually have certain things ready to go. So profile picture. So if this is a personal brand, so you're the face of the company, it will be an image of you. Because this is a digital marketing agency, I am going to upload my logo for that. So let me go into So once you've added your logo, you'll get to this page. It'll automatically bring you here. And you will have a few bits that you need to complete and fill out. So you'll need to add a cover image. And Facebook is quite good because it will talk you through the bits that you actually need to get done. Now, one of the things I would normally do is I would hide these bits. So hide from timeline. Because all images that you actually put on here, so your logo, your cover page, those will always be added to your timeline. So I like to kind of hide those because they're not necessary. Okay. So it will literally show you the sections you need to complete, the short description, and it will tell you your limit, phone number, all the contact details for your business, opening hours, etc. These are all things that you need to complete. So off camera, I have completed all the essential elements of this page. So description, I've actually added a category onto the category section. You can have up to 3 categories, I believe, so you can add additional categories. I have selected that my page does not have a phone number, not yet. Obviously, these are all things that you can go back in and change when you have additional information, especially if you're a new business and you may not have a phone number, but you intend to, you can come back and add that. I've added the website, I've added our email address. I have deselected has a street address because this is a PO box address in which nobody needs to come to because it's an online business. See? And I have gone down to hours and I've selected open hours. You can have always open for an online business as well. And I've not specified anything in terms of the price range. And I've added our privacy policy. In fact, what I need to do is just that. So that's the page that the privacy policy is on. As you see, once you click back in, you can see the edit info page. All those bits have kind of disappeared. So in the general settings, so your page is published, you just want to make sure that's done. And you can literally come in and check all these various settings. I don't normally play around with any of these settings because you don't really need to. The only other thing that I would go into is go into templates and tabs, just to make sure that I've got the right template set up from the beginning. And I do. Facebook has chosen the correct one, they've chosen services. Also in this page, you can also rearrange certain things. So you can literally rearrange these so they show up differently. So I could just have offers up here, keeping about down there. In community, actually might want to put about a bit further up. And what that does is when you go back into your page, it's basically where these are located. So you can see that all these, by me moving those things in that tab, I can literally, they've been moved here in terms of how I want clients to see them when they come onto my Facebook page. Now the other thing you want to do is you want to create a page name, because at the moment your page, your URL bar will just be a bunch of numbers behind it. So you want that to be your business name, which should reflect how it is across all your social media platforms. And then you just create your username. So now you know your username is your business name. In this case, it's East5 Media. And you can direct people to visit your page with this, or they can message you with that address, which you can copy and paste if you want somewhere else. And that is it. As you can see, I've uploaded a new cover image. I've changed the logo a little bit. Now you can add a button, and you should add a button. I would normally go for learn more, or you could do shop or see offers, or contact us, sign up. So for this one, let's do a contact us because of the type of business it is. And then what I do is I put the contact page details. as the button address and just hit save. So then when somebody comes in, they'll get the contact us, and you can test that button to see what that it goes, to make sure it goes to the right address. And that is your page all set up for now. It's just as simple as that. And as I said, always get rid of these, so you can delete or hide things from your page that you don't want to be on your page. And one of the additional things that I'll do is have like a couple of posts, at least 4 to 5 posts that you can upload onto your new page, so it's not just sitting there empty. And that is how you set up your Facebook page. Really quick, simple and easy.